Hello and welcome back to my little house in London. I'm going to take you through some of the things I got up to this week. It's finally spring here and I couldn't be happier about it. Warmer days, lighter nights, spring blossom, getting washing out onto the line and seeing it blowing in the breeze. As it's getting warmer, I thought I would give my bedroom a little spring makeover. That just really consists of me changing my duvet for a lighter tog and popping on some bedding that I think is really springy, all the bright colours. As you can see, I'm being helped by my little helper, BB the dog. In the warmer months, I go for a 4.5 tog duvet. Not sure about you lot. What do you like? I like a 10.5 in the winter and 4.5 for the rest of the year. All of this bedding is by Christy Home. I absolutely love it. They do such amazing bedding, really, really lovely quality. It washes up really nicely as well. Yes, I haven't ironed the duvet, but there's more to life than ironing in my book. Sometimes I iron, sometimes I don't. Mostly I don't. I do have a steamer that I could run across this, but to be perfectly honest with you, I think life's too short at the moment to be ironing duvets. I just love a lovely fresh set of bedding. How about you? I just think it makes me sleep so much better. I always like to style the bed up with some really nice cushions. I've got these lovely velvet ones that come from Christy as well. I just think the colour there really pops against all the lovely, I think they're poppies in the duvet cover set. And one of my favourite little pillows from Oliver Bonus. I've actually got 4 of these velvet. Some people call them comforters. I think that's the American people. I just call it a bedspread, velvet bedspread. I absolutely love it. Or maybe we could call it a quilted throw. I'm not sure, but whatever. I've got 4 of them. I've got this peachy colour. I've got one in the pink that you can see of the cushions. I've got a green one, and I've got a sort of inky blue one. And they're all from Christy, and I absolutely adore them. My bed is an ottoman bed and I store them underneath with all of my cushions and spare bedding. I find that's a really good little hack for someone who's living in a smaller home. Just give you a little sneak peek over to the other side of my bedroom, which is my kind of dressing area with my dressing table. We've got French doors there that open inwards, a Juliet balcony that looks out over our gardens. And I do love my little dressing table area. This dressing table was from Dunelm, but I'm not sure they make it anymore. And I've got these really cute little shelves that I've got scallops, and then looking across to the other side we have got a really cute little area with some pictures which are from Dunelm and my linen bin, and that's where BB sleeps. And yeah, I really like this little area. I always get asked about the paneling. It's actually wallpaper. I know you probably can't believe that, but it is. It's wallpaper. I will link it in the comments for you because I get so many questions about it. These little painted pictures of birds are from Dunelm, as I said, and I will link them. They are so cute, and the bows are from Asda George. I just think this is just gives me so much joy as I walk out of the room in the morning with the little hand painted pictures. And yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I did it not very long ago, actually, just to give me some joy when I woke up in the morning. And this is a new print as well, which I really, really love. It makes me so happy. It's actually the view from my bed is what I see when I wake up, and I really, really love it. I mean, pink doors onto the sea. Who is not going to be inspired by that every morning? Now for something a little bit different. I thought I would just take you through me when I'm making the dinner. The light has gone a little bit lower and it's just about to be dinner time, so I thought I'd make a bean chilli. It's one of our favourite meals and a way that we aren't eating meat one evening a week. We don't really eat a lot of meat, and I find that this has got loads of protein in it and it's just really healthy. So I'm going to pop the recipe because I actually shared it on Instagram a while ago and lots of people really, really loved it. It's really, really easy, and you can do it in the slow cooker as well. It's kind of a just chuck in everything that you like. It's got lots of vegetables in it, and yeah, it's really easy. It even has baked beans in it. Can you believe it? But honestly, we really love it. It's very, I think I'm just going to call it chuck it in chili because it's basically what I do. Kind of change it up a little bit each time with different beans. And yeah, really, really pleased with the fact that I discovered this recipe. I can't remember where I discovered it, but I've kind of made it my own anyway. So a little bit now of me cooking that. And as I said, I will paste the recipe in the comments. I don't know about you, but I find cooking really, really relaxing. I know a lot of people say that it's a chore, but I just really like it. It's helped me wind down after a day of work, switch off. It's quite therapeutic, and I just really like to get stuck in at the end of the day and create something lovely for my family, something nourishing and nurturing. I'm not going to lie, not every night is some recipe from scratch, but most of the time I do really try, and we all do take it in turns to cook as well in our house. So yeah, look, it's coming on now, just needs to thicken up a bit. Quick clean up, and then it was time for a much needed cup of tea. How pretty are these spring flowers? My son actually sent them to me and they have given me so much joy. So I just thought I would show you me styling them up, which is hopefully relaxing to watch as well. I do love styling up flowers. It just gives me so much joy holding the flowers in my hands, making a lovely little display, finding somewhere to put it. I just really, really love having fresh flowers in the home. But as I said in my other video, I also really like having faux flowers, which the flowers to the right, the pink pom-pom flowers, are faux. They're from a company called Contempi, and they are called Giku flowers, and I will link those in the comments as well. Aren't they just so pretty? Pop them on the table, ready for dinner, and now I'm going to set the table for later while the chili is cooking down. Set the table for the three of us that are at home tonight for dinner. Adding some more veg into my chili. I always put the green peppers in later because otherwise I find they go a bit slimy. So it is nearly ready now. I'm going to serve it with rice and nachos and some cheese and some sour cream and some guacamole. And there you have it, my chuck it in chili served with rice, and it was really, really yummy. I can confirm. Shop bought guacamole and sour cream. I think it was an offer, 2 for £3 or something, from Ocado, and yeah, they go really nice with it, and it was really, really yummy, and I think really, really healthy as well. another little sneaky view of another bedroom here. This is my son's room, which I've just made up because actually he is coming home for the night and I was really excited. I love getting in his room and making it all ready for him to come home. So I'm going to do my house tour and I will show you the upstairs very, very soon in full. But for now, here is a little sneak peek of his room. And then obviously if you turn around here, that is then the view down to our bathroom, which I showed you in last week's video. Thanks for watching and I will speak to you again soon.